Welcome dear children. Standard 6 Subject Maths. Today we are going to move forward with our chapter number 18, that is 3-dimensional shapes. Let's begin. Our today's topic is cones. Let's see. Now here this cone has been closed after filling it with ice cream. Its circular top is closed. Now here you can see that this is a clown's cap. The circular base of this cap is not closed. So here we saw two cones. One that was closed and here one which is open. Let's discuss the meaning of a cone. You all can see the figure of a cone, where you can see the apex, curved face, circular flat face and the circular edge. Now the tip of the cone is called its apex. An open cone has a curved face and a circular edge but no flat face. Children, this thing you have to keep in mind, that open cone has no flat face. A cone that is closed by a flat disc has one curved face, one circular flat face and one circular edge. Let's see examples of cones. Here you can see picture of a traffic cone which is kept during the traffic. You all can see this kept on the road. An ice cream cone not filled with ice cream. Ice cream and the birthday cap. Here you can see examples of a open cone as well as closed cone. Now let's see how to make a cone on a paper. Using a compass, draw a circle with center C on a paper. Draw two radii of the circle CR and CS. Cut out the circle. Cut along the radii and obtain two pieces of the circle. Bring together the sides CR and CS of each piece. On completing the activity, what shapes did you get? Yes, we will get the shape of a cone. Now, our next topic is spheres. The shape of a laddu, a ball, a shot put is called a sphere. Children, you must have seen too many things having shape of a sphere. You all must be using at your home also. The sphere has just one curved face. It does not have any vertices and edges. Let's complete the table below by writing the number of faces, edges and vertices each figure has. Now, our first figure is cylinder. Now, how many faces? A cylinder has one curved and two circular faces. It has 0 vertices. It has two circular edges. Next is cone. A cone has one circular flat surface and one curved face. One vertex, that is the apex, and one circular edge. Next is pentagonal pyramid. It has 6 faces, 6 vertices and 10 edges. Hexagonal pyramid. It has 7 faces, 7 vertices and 12 edges. hexagonal prism. It has 8 faces, 12 vertices and 18 edges. Pentagonal prism. It has 7 faces, 10 vertices and 15 edges. Let's recall what we have done till now. We have seen that a cube and a cuboid has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. A triangular prism has 9 edges, 6 vertices and 5 faces. We also saw that a cylinder has 2 flat circular faces, 1 curved face and no vertex. A quadrangular pyramid has 8 edges, 5 vertices and 5 faces. A triangular pyramid has 6 edges, 4 vertices and 4 faces. A cone has 1 curved face, 1 circular flat face and 1 circular edge. In the last one, the sphere has just 1 curved face and no vertices and edges. I hope children you all have got it. Thank you and bye everyone.